Hello everybody. Right, this video is just going to show you a few of the ways that you can install applications in Ubuntu. Now the first way of installing applications is by clicking this software icon. Now the Ubuntu development team has chosen a default set of applications that are already installed on your system, but you'll definitely want to install a lot more software to make Ubuntu more useful to you. So let's install one of the applications. There's various categories that the software packages, the application has been divided into. For now, let's install Brackets. So Brackets is a code editor, lets you write for HTML, CSS, JavaScript programming languages. So we just need to click the install button. It's as simple as that. And it's installed very quickly, and all we now need to do is click the launch button and wait a few moments, and then Brackets has now launched. And I've installed this application onto my system. I'll shut that application down, and if I want to run it again, I can just click the Show Applications button, and Brackets is located there, and I'm running it again. So that's the first way of installing applications on Linux. Really simple and easy to use. Now another way of installing Linux applications is to install them at a shell prompt. So we'll launch the terminal program that we used in earlier videos, and if, for example, I wanted to install a package called GIMP, it's a graphical image manipulation program. It's really good software. All I need to do is type sudo apt install GIMP. Just type my password, and it's now going to say, it's saying that it's going to take 94.9 megabytes of space to install GIMP and the various libraries that it needs, as well as Python and other packages. So type Y, it's now downloading all the packages that I need to run that application. And I haven't had to go to any website, it's just knows where to go to download those files for me to save a bit of time. And I can run the application by typing GIMP. It's loading various plugins, and this is the application. One of the reasons why I admire Ubuntu is it is quick to embrace new technologies. Now one of these new technologies is called Wayland. It's an OpenGL based display management system replacing X, the traditional graphical environment for Linux and other Linux type operating systems. Now Ubuntu 17.10 uses Wayland by default, but it's still possible to run X applications on Ubuntu, and one of these X applications is Synaptic. Now Synaptic is an old friend of mine. It's an excellent graphical package management program for APT. Now to install and use Synaptic, I'll first log out of the environment, and I'll log in using X. We log out, click my name, and there's a little symbol here, and if you click on it, now the default, which says Ubuntu, runs Wayland, but there is also the ability to run X applications by selecting that box, and I'll log in. And now the environment is running X and not Wayland. They look identical, but the technology is very different. So I'm going to install Synaptic using a terminal package. Type that command, sudo space apt space install Synaptic, and it's installing the application. And to run the application, I just type sudo, because it will need root privileges to run Synaptic. And there we go. This is the Synaptic package manager, and it gives a little bit of brief information. I'll close that. You can read that if you want. And it's another way of installing Linux software on Ubuntu in a graphical way, in the same way, in a similar way to the software icon that you can install applications. So if I want to install an application, and let's just pick one at complete random, just to show you, we'll install Achilles. Mark that for installation, an artificial life and evolution simulator. So I've selected the package, just click apply, and just asking as a confirmation, do I really want to install this package? Yes, I'll click apply, and it's installing the package on my system. And it's installed, and I can then run the package either from the show applications feature, and there's Achilles, and it's a simulator, and you can read all about that package. Now, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like the video, please give it a like. It really does help the video and the channel, and please subscribe to the channel as well. I'm going to produce lots more great videos for you to watch and enjoy. I hope this has been really informative for you. Take care and have fun playing with Linux.